of sky. And an entire town is being destroyed as proof of Agent Z's awesome weapon, Tonto.
That, gentlemen, is the fate of our nation's capital unless I surrender to Z's country within 24 hours.
One day to save a nation.
Not even my army can locate Z's stronghold in that time.
Kemosabe, fire rain come from mountains. Mr. President, an entire army couldn't get past Agent Z's weapon, but 2 men might make it.
Good luck, Lone Ranger.
On Silver! Those rocks, Tonto. Hurry! Draw fire, Kemosabe. I circle behind Bushwhacker. Right.
I give up.
A member of Agent Z's espionage army.
Don't shoot.
Then talk fast. Where's your headquarters?
Up there. The volcano crater.
Tonto, we're running out of time. I'll try to sabotage Z's weapon. You bring Colonel Lund's troops.
If that Indian brings the army here, they'll get a warm reception. So, the masked man hasn't given up. Activate the defense traps. Yes, my leader.
Easy, Silver. What's wrong, big fellow? The canyon. Danger. Those small bumps in the ground. I wonder.
Our minefield took care of that masked intruder.
The whole pass is filled with explosive traps.
What? Impossible. He must have blown up the mines and escaped. Wait, there he goes. So the masked man still lives. The fire machine, quickly! Enemy sighted, sir! Fire! The masked man's trapped in a ring of flames. He'll soon be a pile of cinders.
My leader, the army's coming.
What? Reload the fire machine. Distance 5 miles. Open fire.
It's raining fire. Kemosabe in danger.
Fools! A near miss! Reload! Attack! Get that masked man! The missiles! Let's get out of here! Those missiles catch fire, this entire mountain will be blown up. I shall yet be victorious. My target, Washington, D.C. Washington? I've got to stop him. Nothing can save your capital now. The firing mechanism ruined. Perhaps I can still... No! No!
Mountain explode! Kemosabe!
The volcano's erupting!
Must get to him.
Too late, Tonto. Nobody could survive that inferno. But the Lone Ranger's life was not in vain. He saved our country.
No! Lone Ranger still lives!
Come on, big fellow!
Kemosabe!
Hail Silver! Away!
Le Fleur de Mort. Oh, the death plant. Sumac. Oh.
Professor Danville. Still alive. Need air.
Oh. It was Professor Sumac. He promised revenge against me and... he nearly got it.
Why famous botanist turned killer?
We expelled him from the Science Academy because of his fiendish experiments, creating super species of near-human killer plants.
This flower come from only one place. Forest of Death. Forest thick. Must go on foot. I know, Taka. Danger near. Taka! Oh, truly garden of evil. Death all around.
Leave now, or this forest will be your death.
When I leave, I take you with me to face justice. Laboratory in giant tree, but must cross swamp to get there. Oh, strange tree have roots like hands. Oh, it pulled me under. Now, if rope hold...
I'm surprised you got this far, Indian, but you'll go no farther.
Nothing stop me till I stop you.
You'll be stopped now. Those cactus spikes are poisonous. One touch and you're a dead man.
Can't get through. Go over.
This will stop you.
Taka, attack!
Eagle.
Sumac, I come for you.
Oh, yes, but to get me, you'll first have to get past my lovely plants and flowers. And they're as deadly as they are beautiful.
Plant shoot darts.
Pollen pellets. Look, wherever they stick, they grow. You'll soon be half man, half plant.
Death plant.
My beautiful specimen, my botanical marvel, you've destroyed it.
Evil destroy evil.
You may have killed one plant, but you'll soon be food for another. My most prized creation, its stringers, are attracted by warmth.
Huh? Tiny vines have me.
Struggle is useless. There's no escape. Notice my beauty's mouth. See how it opens for its meal. I have created a botanical army to take over the entire valley, then the state.
Before day over, your devil dream over.
My dream is just beginning.
Taka, no! Must help him. Hand free. Now, tomahawk. Away, Taka! Blow hit true. Devil plant finished. Sumac!
It's not possible.
Now I have you.
Fool, it's I who have you. Get him!
Tree army.
Neither your arrows or your eagle can stop them.
Fire stop.
The wind, it's setting the forest afire.
Fire! Let's get out of here! We shouldn't have listened to that crackpot.
Not army of trees, just ordinary crooks like you.
My experiments failed, but you'll not live to tell the world.
Poison spike. You miss, I won't. Fire clean away evil. Forest of death destroyed.
My dreams of revenge, of conquest, you destroyed it all.
Bitter dreams have bitter endings, Sumac. Fly, Tucker! On, Scout!